Hey, what's up YouTube? This is a part 14 of the K20 Integra build. I just wanted to show you guys how the gas tank ended up coming out. As you can see, I got these new straps on there, all on its own now. There's a smog system and everything, so all the wires are ran through inside and plugged up. I ran all my evap lines from the tank to here, so those are all clamped and good to go. So basically almost getting there, ready for this referee. Today I'm going to be actually doing the maintenance part, so I can basically finish everything up and start running the AC lines. I'm going to be using the original one of them. I think it's the high pressure, and the low pressure is from the hybrid racing. So basically just time to get everything finished up. I mean, there's not much to do except, like, that was kind of holding me back because I wanted to run AC, but I didn't want to have to keep doing the lines and get all type of dirt inside of it and everything. So I'm gonna do that, knock that out, show you guys how the AC lines are ran and everything, and then after that I can just start getting everything finished up. Anything that I'm not done with, I can basically finish, but I do have to wire in the fans, bleed the clutch, and just finish tighten up everything, just kind of go over everything and see what I got to do to make sure everything is perfect for the bar. So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting on the maintenance part, and then I'll break down the lines, how they actually go and are ran. So let me get to that. Alright, so as you can see, I got the water pump out. Reason why we're replacing it, you want to do maintenance because these eventually do go out. This is the original too, it's a Honda, so this water pump actually has like 130,000 miles. The belt, if you want to inspect your belt, basically just want to look for cracks. This one has a crack right here, so I mean that was gonna go out anytime basically, so that could, I don't know, this caused a lot of problems. You're stuck on the side of the freeway and it can actually hurt the engine. So just wanted to show you guys what you have to do to get to the water pump. You're gonna have to drop both side mounts to do it. It's just a really tight space, so there's not really much room to get in there. But now that got it right here, I can put my water pump back on, and then I'm gonna start running the AC lines right here so we can have it ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, so we got our AC kit installed. The lines you will be using from the actual Integra will be the lower line. That lower line runs all the way to right here, which is basically another factory line that goes all the way to your evap. And your evap canister comes back to your condenser. So those are going to be your stock lines, and then your aftermarket line from hybrid they supply that you kind of have to slightly bend is your top one. The top one runs to your second line, which is right here, and then your second line runs to your compressor, and then the other side of the compressor will run from here straight to your condenser. So it's pretty simple. It's not that hard. It's literally like 3 lines, and then you use the rest factory. So the hardest part is just bending the lines. Got the serpentine belt on there, so that's brand new. Don't have to worry about that anymore. Got my water pump on, so we're secure on that. Now I gotta clean the engine. Engine bay's getting all dirty again and stuff, but I'll do that tomorrow. Still got a couple things to finish up, but this is basically done. The axles will be here tomorrow around probably afternoon, so I don't know if I'll get a video of that, but basically, I mean, we're basically all installed. I just gotta tighten up hoses now and mount the radiator up, bleed that. I still gotta bleed my clutch, put the intake on, and then I'll be taking it to the exhaust shop. I don't think I'll be able to drive it before the exhaust because the shift box is like right there next to the header, so I don't know if it's right in front of it or not. But last time I did do a car like that, it was, and it burnt the box, so I don't want to do that on this car. I mean, I'd rather just tow it up there. So the next video probably be the axles, and then showing you that, you know, starts all up and it's ready to run. After that, it'll be exhaust and drive video, and then that'll be it, man. We'll go to the state bar and see if this thing passes. I don't see why it wouldn't. It ain't gonna have no check engine lights after I'm done, so everything is ran good. Fuel line, I just gotta run the evap line. I already ran it through the back, so I just gotta do it from right here to right there, which is nothing. Other than that, that'll be it. So stay tuned for the next video. Like I said, maybe tomorrow, if not the day after that, and hopefully this thing will be ready to go to bar, and we can show you that it can pass like nothing, hopefully. So that'll be it for this video. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let me know what you think. I'll see you guys later.